What the f- I don't think she cares. Ah! He's on our tail! Run! Go, go! What the f- No! What? Where are we now? Where are we going? Oh, is that my bag? What is this? Okay. I got my little bag. Sweet. Let's go. I think we're getting on the subway. It's hard to see. I'm so short. What's going on? What the? Is it there? That's him! He's waving at us. The frick? I just waved back. Bruh, don't trust him! What the? We gotta get out of here. What the? Run! Dude, just walk to where you need to get to. Like, this is not worth it. The subway's not worth it. No, we're back on the freaking subway. Let's get out of here. Let's run. I know there's trouble. There's trouble. Run! Let's hightail it out of here. Nothing can stop me. What the? This is different. Look at all these boxes. Get these boxes out of my way. They're in the way. Bro, who is hoarding all these boxes? What the heck? Get out of here. It's in my way. What the? Is this the final car? Why is there a button? Boop. Oh, another button. Boop. Run! I know that someone's probably behind us. Run! What the f- No! Let me through! This isn't fair! Go, 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 go. I'm about to vomit. Run! What the? Hey, hopefully this is a friend. We gotta squeeze on through. Hey, buddy, if you see a man following me, just go ahead and knock him out, bro. I gotta dip. He's on my tail. I gotta dip. I gotta get out of here. What the? Is this a button? I don't even know what that was. It looked like an apple. Oh, a button. Huh. Alright, we put the button in. Press this button. What the? We're locked in! Oh, okay. Now we're up here. Oh, sweet. Get out of my way, boxes. What the heck? I need 2 plugs. I guess we go back this way. Oh, there's like a secret. Oh, I'll get my plug back. All right, epic. Go, 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 go. Nice. Let's go through. I got my buttons back too. Is that the girl from last time? That is. That's us from last time. How are you still alive? What's going on? Are you a ghost? Bro, it's a ghost. I knew it. Freaking went to the floor. Let's get out of here. Call 911? Bro, I don't have a phone in this game. I don't have a phone. What is that? What the? This is the smelliest subway car I've ever seen. But it's probably the cleanest one for New York. Let's get out of here. I don't want to be here. Ugh. What the? This is not a subway car. This is like a full house. Let's put our buttons in. Take me up, Johnny. Let's have a word with you. Can we talk? Uh-oh. Oh, this is your bag. I got your bag for you. What's in it? What's in the box? A fishing rod. You're on a subway, bro. What are you gonna catch? What the f- What? What just happened? What? Bro got her fish. Good for her. Get out of here. Let's make a dash. I'm pretty sure you're a ghost anyways, because I think you got eaten by the monster last time. So I don't even know why I helped you. But hey, that's good you got your little fish. What the Who are you? Did I scare you? What the? It won't let me get up. It won't let me take up your teddy bear. It won't let me pick it up. You're gonna have to pick that up for yourself. I'm out of here. I got a monster I gotta get away from. I got a monster that we gotta get away from. There's the light! The red light! There he is! There's the monster! What the? What? He looks like a teddy bear. What's going on? Bro, no! What is going on? He's chasing me down! Why is everyone staring at me? Guys, I need your assistance. There's a monster, and we gotta defeat him. I think if we all grouped up together, we could probably take him. Hey, this is the green dude from earlier. It won't even let me talk to him. He's sleeping. Are these all the victims? I think these are all the victims. Uh-oh. Let's get out of here. He's on our tail. What the? Hey, you left your teddy bear. I don't think she cares. Ah! He's on our tail! Run! Go! 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 No! Go! He's on our tail! What the frick? What does this mean? Green? Uh-oh. Okay. Blue. Alright. Let me through! Blue, red, yellow. Oh! Blue. Green. Red. No! Blue. He's on our tail! What the? Go, let me go! Ah! That was close. I ain't gonna lie. He was like right behind us. What do you want? You left your teddy bear, bruh. Oh, shoot. I think it's behind me. What the? Are you a friend? I think she just trapped us. What the? Oh, we gotta hold. Hold. Why'd she trap us? Run! Run! The freak. That girl's a freaking jerk. What? Where did he go? Bro just disappeared. Let's get out of here, boys. This has to be... No! Why is he so close all the time? Let me out! What the heck? What the? I gotta spam! Oh, it says this button. It's lying! Oh no! He's getting quicker! Ah! Let me out of here! Oh, what the? It's us! What just happened? What just happened? Oh, I don't think we're supposed to touch. Ah! He's chasing me! What the frick? No! Help! 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 He's like, quicker! I'm leaving this way. It won't let me! Is he gonna chase me again? You're kind of guarding the door. What the? Bruh! Get out of my way! All right, you're walking this way, and I'm gonna make you walk this way. Run! No! Get off my ass! Run! That was close. This is hell. I genuinely think we're in hell. What do you want? What do you want? My hands are up. My hands are down. Oh no. The monster! Run! Ah! Why are you trapping us, you jerk? You're an ass. Haha, you can't even leave, bruh. Your powers are no use for you in here. You're stuck like me. I'm getting out of here. What the? Why did it let go? All right, that's good. Run! We're stuck. Oh no, it lets me go. You can be stuck here, boy. That's what you get. It's karma. This is not a subway car. This is like some freaking computer room. What the diddly heck? This is Diddy's room. Diddy's servers. What the heck? It won't let us through. Okay, now it might. Run! I turned off all the servers. Hopefully the subway doesn't crash. What the frick? What kind of Russian dystopian town is this? The heck? Input green? What? What do I have to input? Oh, that worked? Okay. What the f- Dude, I think they just unlocked a new color. Oh god, this is what it looks like after you've taken like 6 grams. This is what mushrooms is like. I don't even know. This is not what mushrooms is like. This is like what ayahuasca is like. Jesus. Why is everything sideways? Let me out of here. What the? Why are we back here? I don't know what you want me to input. There's all yellows. Oh, I don't think that was right. What the? What is this? What? It's like a subway car, but everything's low resolution. Are you kidding? What the frick? This is like literally the trippiest game you could play, bro. If it leads me to the computer room. Yeah, see, we're in the computer room again. So you guys are gonna have to try the Subway Midnight for yourself and let me know what kind of endings you get. This game is crazy and it seems like there might be infinite amount of endings. I'm not too sure, but this is very cool. Very cool game, very trippy. One of the trippiest games I've ever played, for real. Like, I don't know how to get these to green. There's so many different options and none of them are turning green. So you guys might have to figure it out. You know, it might take like an Albert Einstein or like a Stephen Hawking type person to get this. I don't know.